Hello, hello. Welcome, friends. My name is Lynn, or I'll be Handcrafted across all of the socials, and this month I am crafting with the Not Too Shabby Box of the Month. And if you're not familiar with the Box of the Month, you always get two full 6x6 paper pads with coordinating ephemera packs. I've already started crafting with this collection, and this is how I like to kind of store the leftovers so that it's all together. And then you also get a little sampler of card front panels. These are A2 in size, and plus you do get the sentiment sheet, which, if you didn't know, there is a coordinating die. It's Teresa's one and done die that will cut all of these out in one go. So, really, really fabulous. And you always get two full stamp sets. One is 6x6, and this one's called Cozy Season. I love these gals. They are super adorable. They're gonna be so much fun to color up, and I think they're great for fall sweater weather because they're all kind of in these really adorable sweaters. But I think they're gonna be really good for winter too. So I think this set's gonna kind of take you into fall and winter, which I absolutely love. And then the 6x8 stamp set is called Autumn Joy. Love all the florals here. If you like coloring florals, you're gonna love this. There's lots of I think these are sunflowers, right? And then we have this kind of like a pattern of leaves, which I think you can kind of use to stamp out your own background. I would be inclined to kind of rotate it so that it looks a little bit randomized. But that one looks really fun to craft with, and that chair I absolutely love as well. I think that would be a fun one to color up also. So that's a look at what you get. Now, if you are new, I to the box of the month, I do also want to call your attention to you get just like a little extra bit of goodie of a tea sachet, I guess. But look closely because there's always a little sample of enamel dots in this little sampler, this little tea bag. Now, if you don't drink tea, that's fine, but just don't toss this whole thing. Don't forget that you've got enamel dot samplers in here. So I don't know, this month it coordinates so well with the tea bag. I definitely wanted to make sure that I mentioned it because you could easily miss it if you didn't know to look. So be sure to pull that out before you drink your tea, or if you're not a tea drinker, if you are inclined to toss this. But these teas are really good. I really love them. And I get to try all these different flavors that, to be honest, I wouldn't try otherwise. So I think that's really cool. All right. So the other thing that I wanted to mention was that a little later this month, there's going to be a special release. Easy Wonder Die number 4 is coming out. And I took the liberty of making a set of cards because if you are familiar with my Easy Wonder dies, then you know, like on the back of the packaging, I always have a set of cards. Sometimes it's like 3, 4 cards. Sometimes I think Easy Wonder die number 3, I think there were only 2 suggested card sketches. But basically, if you want to use all of the pieces that the Easy Wonder die cuts out of your 6x6 pattern paper, the card sketches use all of those pieces up, so you have no scraps left over. And I crafted with a blush autumn for one of my sets of cards, and so I want to show you those. So now, from this, you can probably imagine, I'm guessing, if you're in my Easy Wonder and Ultimate Inspiration Facebook group, there were some little Easter eggs in the header of the group that I posted. I think it was like over a month ago now. I don't know how many people saw it, but I hid some Easter eggs in there, and I don't think anyone saw it, so I think I did a good job keeping this a secret. But the cat is starting to sneak out of the bag, so I think you can probably guess what the hero shape is for Easy Wonder die number 4. And oh, I wanted to show you this also. So, Simple Autumn Joys comes from the 6x8 stamp set. And guys, I've been starting to do this actually a lot. You'll see I did it here too. So, my Ultimate Sentiments, this is the coordinating die for the Ultimate Sentiments, and this is normally what I use to die cut out the little sentiment banners, especially the ones that have the coordinating stamps or the digis that I put out on my website. And I generally use these 5 dies as frames or layers to mat behind the sentiment banner. But I don't know why it took me I don't know how long to figure this out. But the way that I've been describing this particular die is that it's just your kind of plain, simple border, straight border with the stitching detail and everything. And this biggest die here, normally I just describe it as the die that cuts out your larger sentiment in the Ultimate stamp sets, and also is perfectly the same ratio so that you can take this and mat it behind this die. And I've always described it as, that's great if you like to double up on your mats, because some people like to have not just one layer framing, but 2 layers framing. And it took me until recently, the last couple of months, that I can use this as a sentiment banner as well, and then it would have its own matte layer to go behind. So for example, I used it to cut out Autumn Comforts and Simple Autumn Joys. And in the case of Autumn Comforts, I just used the largest die to frame it. And it's so perfect. So I just love that now I'm seeing my Ultimate Sentiments coordinating die in a much more versatile way now that I'm using that die to cut out these larger font sentiments. So it's not just for your small sentiments. Now you can, or I guess you've always been able to, and maybe some of you figured that out way before me, but I did it quite a lot with this set of cards. And I also want to mention that I am pretty certain most of these one-line sentiments will also fit into Teresa's one and done die. Sometimes it's just nice to have the single die. You can see I actually use that on all of my cards. Most of them I think are kind of similar, the same sentiments, but I did feature that die in all 5 cards here. But I'm pretty sure that Teresa's one and done you can use as well. And hers has double fishtail banner ends. So that's kind of nice for something just a little bit extra special. So this set of 5 cards is what you can make with Easy Wonder die number 4, which comes out August 21st. Now, if you're watching this on the 10th of the month, which is the day this video comes out, you have an opportunity to still sign up for my secret sale mailing list. Check the description box below because I always have a link of where you can go to sign up for my newsletter. When you go to that link, you'll see there are different topics that you can sign up for. One of those topics is signing up for secret sales. These are private invitation live streams where I give you a first look before public launch day. And not only do you get a first look, but you're also going to get the first chance to purchase whatever product it is I am showcasing during that secret sale. And I am having a secret sale tomorrow, August 11th. So you have time to still sign up for the secret sale. I've already sent one announcement out to that list of folks, but I always send out an email the day before and a final email the morning of. So make sure you're signed up by the end of today, August 10th, and you'll get that invitation to your inbox. And you can join me tomorrow for an actual first look at Easy Wonder die number 4. Not only that, you're going to be the first to get to purchase. I've got some special perks just for my secret sale attendees. You do have to be there live in order to order, in order to take advantage of the perks that are going to be offered. And not only that, but Jamie actually has Easy Wonder die number 4 in hand, and it can ship just as soon as you order, which means that if you're placing an order tomorrow, August 11th, during my secret sale live stream, there's a good chance you can actually get it before the official launch day, which is August 21st. So I hope to see you in that live stream, secret sale live stream tomorrow. And if not, I hope I'll see you on my launch day live stream on August 21st to celebrate the new release of Easy Wonder die number 4. Thanks so much for checking out my video today. In the description box, you're also going to find a playlist where you can see even more inspiration featuring this month's subscriptions. And another little super secret for you all. Thanks for watching to the end, because if you're still watching, you can actually get a $5 gift voucher put into your order for all qualifying orders. Jamie will slip a $5 voucher when she ships your order. All you have to do is, when you place your order before August 15th, just put in the notes, "but first, coffee." That's the secret phrase to get a $5 gift voucher towards your next purchase at the Not Too Shabby shop. So again, here's what you gotta do. You need to place an order before August 15th, and in the order notes, just type the phrase, "but first, coffee." When Jamie sees that, when she fills your order, she's going to give you a $5 gift voucher that you can apply towards your next order. So friends, what does that mean? That means that if you are joining me for my live stream secret sale of Easy Wonder die number 4, one of the perks, because it falls within this promotional time period, is you're going to get a $5 gift voucher to shop again at the Not Too Shabby shop. And that's not even one of the secret perks that you're getting. So that's just me giving you some hot tips for how to be a savvy, crafty shopper and get the most bang for your dollar. So friends, don't forget that secret phrase, and don't forget to put that in your order notes when you place your order. Thanks again, friends, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.